Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to start with getting into MATLAB. As we all know, MATLAB is a mathematical and graphical software package with numerical, graphical as well as programming capabilities. It has built-in functions to perform many operations and there are toolboxes that can be added to augment these functions. There are various versions available for different hardware platforms in both professional as well as student editions. When MATLAB software is started, a window opens in which the main part is the command window. So in the command window, you should see this sign. So this is called the prompt, or we can say command prompt. In student edition, the prompt instead is edu with this sign. In the command window, MATLAB can be used interactively. At the prompt, any MATLAB command or expression can be entered and MATLAB will respond immediately with the result, like this. So it is also possible to write programs in MATLAB that are contained in script files or M files. So there are various commands that can serve as an introduction to MATLAB and allow you to get help. For example, demo. This will bring up MATLAB examples in the help browser, which has examples of some of the features of MATLAB. You can go through any of the examples by writing demo. So there is another command which is help. This will explain any function. So there are various functions that can be explained by typing the help command in the command prompt. So you can go through these functions by yourself. If you want to explain how help works, you can write help. So this will explain how help command will work. There is another command which is look for, that searches through the help for a specific word or phrase. But I'm not writing it here right now because this can take a long time. There is another command which is doc. This will bring up a documentation page in the help browser. So this is how various commands are used in the MATLAB to get help. There is another command which is exit or quit. You can write quit or exit here. So this will exit you from the MATLAB. Now, in addition to command window, there are several other windows that can be opened and may be opened by default. So to the left of the command window is the current folder window. So the folder that is a set as the current folder is where files will be saved. This window shows the files that are stored in the current folder. These can be grouped in many ways, for example by type, and sorted for example by name. If a file is selected, the information about that file is shown on the bottom. So here are the details of the file that you select. If I select any file like this, here shows the details of that file. Here it is a MATLAB script and so on. So to the right of the command window are the Workspace window, which is on the top, and the command history window, which is on the bottom of the desktop. The command history window shows commands that have been entered, not just in the current session but previously as well. The Workspace window also shows the variables that you entered in the command window. So here I have entered the variable a at the very beginning, a equals to 16. So that variable is stored in the Workspace with its details, its minimum value, maximum value, its value, and so on. So here is the Workspace. So there is another window which is editor window. You can open it by clicking on the new script like this, or through file and new. This will also open the editor window. This will take some time. File and new. So I have opened the editor window. You can write any commands in this window, like a equals to 25, b equals to 15, sum equals to a plus b. So in editor window I have to save this function. Here I'm saving this function in my current folder with name addition. I'm saving this in my current folder. Now from this button I'm clicking here to run my program like this. So here is the sum equals to 40. So here is the result of my program that I have written in my editor window. So basically this is the MATLAB environment that includes many windows, out of which I have explained all the main windows. So this is all for today. Thanks.